In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook client with Google Calendar. By the end, your Outlook calendar will show your Google events and you'll be able to add and edit them right from Outlook with updates syncing both ways. Start by opening Outlook on the web and switching to the new Outlook experience if prompted. Once you're in, go to Calendar so you're viewing your schedule. This makes it easier to see the sync happen in real time. Next, open the settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the top right, then choose Accounts. In the Accounts panel, select Add Account. When the list of providers appears, choose Google. A Google sign-in window will pop up. Sign in with your Gmail account and follow the prompts. When Google asks for permission, make sure you allow access to Calendar. This permission is required so Outlook can display your Google calendars and let you manage events. If you're using a work or a school Google account, you might see an additional consent screen or need admin approval. Just follow the on-screen instructions. After you approve permissions, Outlook will connect to your Google account. Give it a moment. You should now see your Google Calendar show up on the left sidebar in Outlook, including your primary calendar and any additional calendars you've created in Google. If they don't appear right away, refresh the page or toggle the visibility checkboxes for calendars to prompt a refresh. From here, you can view, add, and edit events on those Google calendars directly in Outlook. Pick the calendar you want to work with, then create a new event as you normally would. Changes made in Outlook will sync to Google, and updates you make in Google will sync back to Outlook. The sync is effectively two-way and typically updates quickly, though the first sync or large changes can take a short moment. A few tips to make this smooth. Confirm you're signed into the correct Google account if you have more than one. Check your time zone in both Outlook and Google so events land at the right time. If you don't see the Google option when adding an account, make sure you're using the new Outlook experience and that your browser allows pop-ups for the sign-in window. Later, if you want to stop syncing, return to Settings, open Accounts, and remove the connected Google account. That's it. Your Outlook and Google calendars are now synced, giving you a single place to manage your schedule with instant updates and full editing from Outlook.